You saw what I did with the apples, right? Look at this. Well, I have a few left back from the orchard, so I turned them into something refreshing with a little kick. Apple ginger punch, Jamaican style. Adding some ginger for the soul and warmth, and a few orange for that zest. Let's go wash these. Baking soda. I don't mind the heat. You can use less ginger if you like. So we're gonna take some of the peel off. Adding some pimento berries, all cloves, cinnamon stick, orange peel, and we're gonna let this infuse for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay? Also adding 3 lemons. Allow this to cool down, okay? Ooh. The whole house is smelling nice. Lemon juice. Garnish with some dry apple and cinnamon. Ooh. Go ahead and do a taste test. Wow. Tastes like fall in a cup. Oh my god. It's not getting cozier than this. Really nice. Now I'm gonna show you a different way you can spice it up. You're gonna grab a spice rum. I'm gonna add 1 ounce. You could add more if you want to. 2 ounces of cranberry juice. Garnish. I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Let me know which one you like better. I think I like when it's rain. I think we like that one better. Two of them taste great, but you know, this combo is really nice. Cheers. It's refreshing and cozy and full of warmth. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Tell me if you enjoyed this video. Tell me which one of the drink them you like the most. Or let me know, would you try it? Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys.